Today, while passing by, I saw children in the street who were going in groups to Friday pray. These children reminded me of my childhood days when I used to go to pray with my friends and had no worries about food and no responsibilities. Now, life has changed a lot. No childhood days and no childhood friends. Each coming day comes with new kind of tasks and difficulties. My soul is trapped in this lifeless body. I wish my childhood would return again. Maybe there is nothing left in this life. Yes, everyone tells me about life after death, but they don't tell me what will happen in this life. Let's say दिल के खुश रखने को गालिब ये ख्याल अच्छा है